thank you, Grammy.
Thank you, Grammy. I'm going to open a present.
Say thank you, Grammy.
Thank you, Grammy.
Okay.
Okay, now, do you know how to open?
Yeah.
Look at that funky red hair that one has. Is that hair on the present?
Yeah.
I think so, too.
Open. Present.
Open the present. Rip it. Oh, goodness. You want Daddy to help you a little?
Yeah.
Keep going. Here.
Yeah.
If you rip the side, there you go. Now you can get in there. What's in there?
Oh!
What's that? Cookie. Oh, cookie. Get it all off, huh? No, you don't unwrap that part. Pull the top off. Can you pull the top off, maybe?
Open his head.
And here's the shoe that was on it, remember? There's the shoe.
Hey, say thank you, Grammy again.
Yay! Thank you, Grammy.
Love you.
Can you say love you?
Love you.
Whee! Cookie. Off.